3 customers, 1 fan. Real reactions. Watch to the end.
Hey all, this is a video review for the 52-inch ceiling fan. We got this one in a farmhouse style in white for our dining room. And for starters, it all comes in this box. Everything is really packed very well. It comes wrapped in styrofoam and it's all wrapped in plastic. The instructions are very clear on what you need to do. If you haven't installed a ceiling fan before, it also brings a QR code for scanning with your phone so you can see a video if you're nervous or if the manual, if images aren't good enough for you on the manual, but it is very simple to install. If you install a ceiling fan once, you probably get the hang of the rest of them. Here's the remote for it once you get it installed and hooked up. This is actually an upgraded remote, which is very nice. We have other fans from this brand in other rooms and they don't have this little LED part at the top, but this is nice because it shows you the speed that the fan is at. Here, let's put it on speed 1. And we really like the fans from this brand. We have them in quite a few of our rooms, and we figured, let's go ahead and get one for the dining room as well, since all the other ones have worked out so well thus far. And it brings a light control here. It has multiple colors. You can change it with this button. Let's put it at the top speed. This thing moves a lot of air. And they're very, very quiet, even at top speed. It comes with a theft protection mode, which is this button right here. There's a timer button. You can also change the direction of the fan for the winter months if you're in a cold environment at that time. Let's turn off the fan. Yeah, overall, really solid fan. I mean, like I said, we have a few fans from this brand, and I would definitely recommend them. They have fantastic customer service as well, so if you run into any issues at all, which I would say is very rare, you can still contact them, and they'll help you out no matter what. So yeah, that's the review, and again, highly recommend it. Thanks.
This is a really great fan. This is the remote that goes to it, so if you click a fan speed, it turns the fan on. Also gives you different options for lighting color. So this is the one I typically keep it on for the bedroom. There's also a timer, so you could say how long you want to keep it on for, and then you could dim the light and lower the light. Yeah, great product. Really like how it looks. It's very modern and cost effective compared to other ones that are similar.
Okay, so this is the 4th ceiling fan we have purchased because we like them so much. Easy to install, looks great. We have both indoor and outdoor, and so definitely happy with this product, and we'll probably get a few more as we continue to change out the ceiling fans in our house. Highly recommend.